But one of the reasons why I don't like it is because they make it quite hard for you to gas up. Their machines are not much fun to use. So, on top of all the other stuff that I don't particularly like about Shell, laugh, don't laugh. I just can't stand their machines. Their machines are not fun, are not very user friendly. So goodbye, Shell. Luckily, there's a lot of other options for you in this world where you can gas up. Does it say U-turn here? I don't know. It may be here. Is it in this plaza? I can't tell. Oh, yes, it is. So it's not U-turn, navigator. You were gonna send me.
Likey